everyone, this is Mark from Upol Community College, taking up on Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Today, we will be discussing about the 10 input and output devices. First, I am going to discuss about the input devices. So, what is an input device? In computing, an input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system. The first example of an input device is a computer keyboard. It is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols. Together are called characters. The keyboard is one of the most common input devices. The second example of an input device is a mouse. A mouse is an input device that allows you to control the coordinates and movements on the screen cursor or pointer. By simply moving your hand across the flat surface, hands can be selected or moved using the left mouse button, whilst the right button usually displays additional options. The third example of an input device is a joystick. A joystick is an input device that consists of a stick that pivots on a base and reports its angle or direction to the device it is controlling. Joysticks are often used to control video games and usually have one or more push buttons. The fourth example is a light pen. It is an input device in a form of light-sensitive wand used in a conjunction with a computer cathode ray tube. It allows the user to point on displayed objects or draw on a screen in a similar way to a touchscreen, but with a greater positional accuracy. The fifth example is a trackball. It is an input device which comprises of an exposed protruding ball held by a socket. Having a sensor for detecting the ball rotation, this functions as to control the movement of the cursor display. The sixth example is a scanner. It is an input device that uses light beam to scan codes, text, or graphic image directly into a computer or computer system. Its function is to send information to the computer. Seventh example is a graphic tablet. It is an input device for computers. Users can use this to hand draw image, graphics, or handwriting, as if they draw on a paper. The number 8 example is a microphone. A microphone is a device that is used to convert sound waves into electric waves. It captures audio by converting sound wave into electrical signals, which may be a digital or analog signal. The number 9 example of an input device is a barcode reader. It is an electronic device which is able to scan and decode barcodes. Its function is to capture and read information contained in a barcode.
Optical mark reading, OMR, is a method of entering data into a computer system. Optical mark readers reads pencil or pen marks made in predefined positions on paper forms as responses to questions or tick list prompts. OMR scanning is fast. An OMR scanner can maintain a throughput of 2,000 to 10,000 forms per hour.
An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into a human-readable form. Some of the output devices are visual display units, a monitor, printer, graphic output device, plotters, speaker. A monitor is an electronic visual computer display that includes a screen, circuitry, and a case in which the circuitry is enclosed. Older computer monitors are made of cathode ray tubes, which made them large, heavy, and inefficient. A monitor is also known as a screen or a visual display unit. A printer is basically an output device which prints a hard copy of the electronic data that is stored in the computer or any other device. The electronic data may include documents, text, images, or even the combination of all three. The particular printer are available for printing particular data types. Loudspeaker, also called speaker, is sound reproduction device for converting the electrical energy into acoustical signal energy that is radiated into a room or open air. The part of the speaker that converts electrical into mechanical energy is frequently called the motor or voice coil. Projector device for transferring photographic and other images in an enlarged form onto a viewing screen. All types of projector employ a light source and a lens system. Plotter is a machine that produces vector graphics drawing. Plotters draw lines on paper using a pen or, in some applications, use a knife to cut material like vinyl or leather. In the latter case, they are sometimes known as a cutting plotter. A sound card, also referred to as an audio card, is a peripheral device that attaches to the ISA or PCI slot on a motherboard to enable the computer to input, process, and deliver sound. A video card is a PC component that is used to enhance the quality of image showed on a display. The video card is an intermediate device that accelerates the video throughput. Video cards are also known as the graphics cards, video adapters, display cards, graphic adapters, and graphic accelerators. A LED display is a flat panel display that uses an array of light emitting diodes as pixels for a video display. LED displays are capable of providing general illumination in addition to visual display, as when used for stage lighting or other decorative, as opposed to informational purpose. A webcam is a built-in or stand-alone camera that captures still images and video on a computer. Webcams are commonly used for video conferencing and for online video streaming. Even if your laptop has a built-in webcam, there are reasons why you might want to add a standalone device. Headphones are hardware devices that can be plugged into a computer, laptop, smartphone, MP3 player, or other device to privately listen to audio without disturbing anyone in the vicinity. They are plug-and-play device and do not require any sort of installation before use.
1, 2, 3, yeah!